Yeah, it looks good. We're gonna figure it out. Well, we did all right. We'll say we almost hit our daggone septic tank down in there. Well, at least a drain pipe, but it worked out. I think this is a pretty good spot. We're gonna put some concrete down in there, and then we'll backfill with some dirt. I think we'll be good. As we take some more, see the dirt we took out the hole? We're gonna backfill it, so fill it back up. Well, y'all climbing up the trees? Huh. I told you you could do it. Grippy shoes? Alright. Now what you gonna do up there?
I need you help.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's Lucas gonna do?
I'm just gonna jump down.
Alright. Let me get over here and help Lucy.
I'm making everyone new.
Come on. Hold on. Alright, let's see what your brother's gonna do. What's the big boy doing? Good job. Well, well, if you want to try, we'll figure it out. Good luck. All right. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're not burying those, okay? Thank you. All right. Let's see. We've tied this into that and back there. Give it, which was off the ground. So that bottom one down there, that's 4x4, it was off the ground. So now I've sunk it in there. I got it sucked up against the ground. It's probably solidified this, so now what I'm gonna do is put this 12-footer right beside it, sister it up, and fill it full of concrete. I think it'll be good. Oh yeah. Alright. So put an 8-footer in there. Secured him to this. There's a 4x4 here. But he's off the ground. Down there. You can see he's off the ground hovering. So sunk him at 8 foot. Damn, if it won't almost perfect. Then I'll put this 12-footer by it. That's where I'm going to string the net. Time to put some concrete in here and then do the other hole the exact same way. All right, I got the outside perimeter. I strung one across. I think what I'm going to try to do is tie one or two to the middle. We go from here to here and there to there, and hopefully that should give enough support. We'll see. To be determined. This actually took a lot longer than I thought, but with perseverance and a lot up and down the ladder, getting through it. Turning on the water, trees, but so far things are looking good. Got some fine tuning to do for sure. But yeah, stretched out over here. Looks like she's won't be any hawks coming in here. I think I'll get away with 2. I'm gonna staple this little bit right here to the side real fast, just so that it is continuous. But all up, pretty daggone good. Going great. I think I had planned on getting this net, both nets up in about 1 day. Took me actually about 3.5 days to get it done, but totally worth it. Still got more to go, but gonna make it happen. All right, pretty much got it, I won't say permanent, but functional. at this point, hawk net. I'm gonna make some modifications. Basically, I'm gonna zip tie the center, but I want to leave things. I'm gonna have to do like hooks over here on this fence, as well as just so I can pull things back if I have to do some tree trimming, so I don't throw it right on the net. This tree got over top, went around that tree over there. But all in all, 2 of these big nets, I think they were 75 by 20. Worked out pretty good. Had to do some work around, but got around this tree. Birds liking it. But at the end of the day, peace of mind, right? Peace of mind is what I have now, that the hawks won't be dive bombing the chickens. I can leave them out during the day if I need to, which would be great. And all in all, pretty good. It's good to be a chicken on this hill. I better be laying some eggs, I know that. Yeah, you too. Yes, you. Hey, get to laying eggs. Took twice as long as I expected, but that's probably par for the course when it comes to any DIY project. But learned a lot. Glad I took my time, because did think through some processes, going to make some modifications like I said previously. I'll shoot an update video about that. But as it stands right now, no hawks or dive bombing chickens, which is great.